Sir, ano yung difference between ceramic and graphene coating?
Hmm. Well, same naman sila na nagbibigay ng additional protection para
Mhm.
sa sasakyan. Yung ceramic coating yung mas naunang technology and then yung graphene coating yung newer technology. So, ang sinasabi nila based sa research, mas durable and mas glossy daw ang graphene coating. So, yung main difference talaga nila is yung composition nila. So, yung ceramic coating kasi silicon dioxide siya or SiO2. While yung graphene coating is graphene na molecule. So, sabi nila mas flexible and mas durable yung graphene na coating. Ang ceramic coating, it usually lasts 3 to 5 years, while ang graphene coating naman, 5 to 7 years yung durability niya. Pero ang thing to take note for any kind of coating, regardless kung ilang years yung sinasabi nila, it all boils down to the proper maintenance.
True.
So, kung marunong ka mag-maintain ng sasakyan, definitely kaya mong ma-maximize yung lifespan ng coating itself, whether it's ceramic or graphene. Tapos, kung hindi ka naman marunong mag-maintain ng sasakyan, once na ipa-coating mo, never mo na pinaka-car wash, never mo na inalagaan, hinayaan mo na siya, kahit 5 or 7 years pa yung lifespan yan, hindi mo talaga siya maaabot. Kasi yung durability niya depends on how well you could maintain the coating itself. So, ayun.